Today we're in Memphis with Rene. So what neighborhoods would you recommend someone take a look at in Memphis, and what neighborhoods would you say for them to probably stay away from?
There are really good areas to invest in, but there might be one street that's bad, but then the next street over is good. We would recommend probably zip codes like 38128, 38127, 38107, 38133, 38135. That is very, very good.
So what are the big economic drivers behind the town?
There's a huge Amazon distribution center in Fraser, which is zip code 38128. There's also a huge Nike distribution center over there. FedEx headquarters. They have the largest hub at the Memphis airport. So they employ thousands of people here. Hilton Hotel is headquartered here. International Paper is headquartered here. And we also have several medical manufacturing companies in the Memphis area.
And there's also University of Memphis or University of Tennessee?
Yes, so there's actually three major universities here. There's University of Memphis, there's Christian Brothers University, and also Rhodes College is here. And then they have a community college at Southwest Tennessee Community College. If you look at the real estate market, the prices are very reasonable as far as other places in the country. And Memphis population is 1.1 million, and North Mississippi is a very large population, and they come to Memphis all the time.
Rene, if someone wanted to work with you, what's the best way for them to contact you?
My cell phone is 901-825-8923. I have an email, Rene Stehle @kw.com.